All right, so today we're going to do a virtual lab on how cancer cells can be recognized between the mitosis rate in a normal cell versus a cancerous cell. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the microscope. If you scroll through, these are all the different phases that we've been learning. And these are also where you can get tags to fill in. You see these blanks that are down here. So what you're going to do, we're going to start with the first one that's in your book, and we're going to look at normal lung. So this is a normal lung. And what your job is to take this cell and label it. Okay, so we're going to label all these phases. So you're going to have to scroll through so you can look to see if you know which ones they match. And if you look, the rest of these look like they are, let's find this, that looks like this. So I'm going to take and label each of these like this. Okay, now I'm going to hit check. And if it was correct, it's going to give you, it's going to label the rest of them. And then your job is to take and put how many are in interphase, how many are in prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Now, where it comes to percent of dividing cells, what you're going to do is you're going to count up all of these cells. So if I look, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I got 20 cells here, okay? So the percent that are dividing are the ones that are in prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. So if I do that, I have 1 that is dividing, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click, I'm going to put 1 divided by 20 times 100 . Hold on. 1 divided by 20 times 100, which gives me 5%. So that's my percent dividing. Then I take the rest, so that would give me 19. Those that are at rest are in interphase. So I'm going to say 19 divided by 20 times 100, which would give me 95%. Okay? So once you've done one cell, then you're going to change your tissue slide and do the next cell. Okay? So, just to recap, these little blanks right here, you move and find them by labeling them with these little tags. When you get to, once they're all labeled and you hit check, you write down how many are in each phase. Add up the total amount of cells that you have on your slide. Percent dividing are the ones in prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. So take however many you have there, divide it by the total, multiply it by 100, and then the percent at rest are those that are in interphase. So take the number that are in interphase, divide it by the total, and multiply it by 100, and that's the percent at rest. Okay? Then you're going to be able to answer the question, the one that has the highest percentage of dividing cells is going to be the one that has the most aggressive growth. And that's how you do this virtual lab.